Why most beginners don't make money and how to beat the odds. Most beginners never make money, not because the business doesn't work, but because they don't understand the real game. Today, I show you the 3 reasons people fail and how you can avoid all this. Reason number 1, inconsistency. People post one video today, then disappear for a week, then come back next week with a new idea, and again stop. Money follows consistency, not talent. How to beat this? Use the 3 days safety net. No matter how busy you are, always ensure you stay 3 pieces of content ahead. Reason number 2, wrong products. Most beginners promote hard to sell products, low paying products, and complicated services. You think everything online sells? No. Only Evergreen solutions sell consistently online. Beat this by choosing number 1, finance products, 2, AI tools, 3, I need digital products, 4, beginner friendly tools, then 5, recurring commission products. Reason number 3, chasing trends. People jump from crypto today, AI tomorrow, new gadget next week, and when you switch topic too often, you lose trust. Solutions: build your evergreen anchor, that is one topic that defines you. And the winning part, if you want to beat the odds, choose one niche, stay consistent, promote evergreen products, then use a single system. With this, you become unstoppable. You don't fail because you have no talent, you fail because you stop too early. Stay in the game and the game will reward you. Subscribe. Next video will discuss your first income stream. Click the link and let's build together. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.